different sort of video today. This time we're in our loading bay. This safe came in and it's going straight out, so I didn't have time to get it into the studio. This is the Burton safe's Amario, which is the Eurograde 3 safe, and this is the size 2. I've already done a video on the size 1. I'll put a link to that now up in the top right hand corner in case you want to see that one. This is us, londonsafe.co.uk. I'm just in our loading bay here. And as I said, Amario size 2 Eurograde 3 safe. Let's just look at the dimensions, the external dimensions. So the safe is 500mm high by 450mm wide by 493mm deep, which does include the handle, which is quite deep. It does project. I'll put the exact amount that it projects in the edit now so you can see that. Being a Eurograde 3 safe, it is very heavy. This one is weighing in at 210 kilograms. Very nice design, made in Spain, I believe. A very nice stainless steel plate here with this chromium plated handle and this satin keypad. Default code 1 through 6, no secret. Just opening up now. That's the solenoid opening. Then we turn our knob and the door, enormously thick door, as you can see, opens up. It comes with 2 shelves that can be repositioned or removed. You've got a fixing hole in the base, and additional fixing hole there in the rear. That's just a plastic bung over it at the moment. So it can be bolted to a wall or bolted to a floor or both. So either or both. On the back of the door, you've got the proof of testing and certification. This time it was carried out by ECBS and it's resistance grade 3. And it's EN1143-1, and for insurance purposes what that means is it's suitable for storing up to £35,000 in cash or £350,000 in valuables, jewellery, etc. An idea of just how secure this is. I'm stretching my hand almost as far as I can. The door is incredibly thick. You've got these stainless steel bolts at the top. You've got another 4 down the sides and another 2 at the bottom. They lock into these receiving plates here on the sides and the bottom and the top. Very slight correction, on the inside of the door these are fixed bolts that lock into these receiving plates here. It's the moving bolts that lock into the receiving plates on this side. So I'm a bit hurried today trying to get it ready for the customer. The internal dimensions are it's 400mm high, 350mm wide and 295mm deep. Gives it a storage capacity of 41 litres. You'll have noticed during this video I've put my WhatsApp number up a few times. If you're interested in this or any safe whatsoever, just drop me a WhatsApp. I'm very happy to help. If you want to call, otherwise if you want to call, it's just that phone number there, 0208 445 0001 for voice calls. Otherwise messages on WhatsApp if you're shy, no problem. I'm going to cut to another clip now of a video that I recorded on another day, so it's going to seem out of sequence, but it'll make sense once you've seen it. So hopefully you're going to buy a safe from us and we're going to come and install it for you. So during the checkout process, if you are doing that, and thank you if you are, there's a number of accessories that you can purchase. So the first one is a automatic light, battery operated, 3 AAA cells, and it's got a little movement sensor, and that pops onto the underside of the top of the safe. And as you open the safe, the light comes on, illuminates the contents. Very useful for dark cupboards or wardrobes, things like that, so you can see what's going on in there. Then we have this, which is a flame retardant wallet, so you can put your A4 documents and bits and pieces in there for extra fire protection. We have a carpet base if you want a carpet in the bottom of your safe. As you see, they don't come with one. If you want one, then that's an optional extra. This is a pair of Faraday pouches for putting car keys in. Key cloning, theft of cars is very, very common now. You put your keys in here and the people with the dodgy equipment can't pick up the signal in the house to take your car away. And finally, we have this dehumidifier box, which you can put inside the safe. It's reusable. You can dry it out on a radiator, absorbs moisture, protects things from condensation, because you can get condensation form inside a big steel box like that. Also useful for keeping firearms dry as well. And these are all recommended accessories for your safe that are available at checkout. So maybe this isn't the safe you're looking for. Maybe you're just looking for a safe for your home, and you've seen so many different places selling them, hundreds of safes to choose from. If that's you, please have a look at the video that I'm linking to in the top right now. Sorry about the noise. And I will also put a link right at the end of this video, which is coming up any second, little cartoon to watch, and then that will be there, that video. Thanks very much for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.